She breezed into my office one cold September morning. I'd been enjoying a hot cup of Starbucks finished and surfing the web for local news. The famous lexical semantics professor Edgar Nedelson had been found dead. A gunshot wound in the head. The police verdict was suicide. She held out an elegant hand as she flowed towards me and I glimpsed a wedding band with a stone the size of peanut M&Ms. I'm Eddie Nedelson. Sorry about the old man. I'm not. He loved me, but he loved more. I'll be brief. My husband was working on a paper that we rock the very foundation of lexical semantics. It's worth a fortune in literatures, but nobody can find it. I believe his suicide note is a clue to its whereabouts. She removes a scrap of paper from her blouse.